Hello everyone, this is Sal from TeacherLock. I'm here to discuss the differences between TeacherLock 1 and TeacherLock 2. In an active shooter emergency, a teacher would be required to find a key, exit the classroom, go into the hallway, and then insert the key, jiggle the handle, and come back into the classroom and the door is locked. If they're lucky enough to have this type of a lock set, which locks from the inside, they still have to find that right key, insert it, twist it, open the door, jiggle the handle to make sure that the door is locked. With TeacherLock, we designed a special key which is tactile in feel, and there's no twisting. You just insert and push. So now the door is locked with a simple insert. In the case of an active shooter emergency, every second counts. TeacherLock 1 opens in 2 operations. You push the bullseye lever and then the door is open. In TeacherLock 2, the door's lever provides a natural rotation for the door to be unlocked in a single operation. The door can also be unlocked from the outside by an emergency responder, and we don't show that key in video, but we have one which will fit in a Knox box outside the building. For more information, please visit us at teacherlock.com. Thank you and have a nice day.